Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Ultimate Chicken Horse, but I couldn't really find anybody. I am doing the windmill though, so hopefully
Wait for
somebody's
me!
Yo!
Wait, Cal?
Yeah?
Are we doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Let's get it.
Yes sir. So,
I'm
we
about
got
to
hand
click you.
here.
I'm about to clip you. I'm actually locked in this time.
Wait, the gold is on a windmill? Wait, why is the
snap,
gold?
wait, that's actually really cool.
Yo, you have to be good at this.
It's spinning.
Oh. Oh.
What the? You're dead.
Oh, so you don't want to go down?
Apparently not. I don't know how to play this map. I've actually never played it. This is one of the best maps. I'm surprised I've never played it. Okay, that's a psychopath thing to put down.
That helps,
Not too much. I'm gonna put
Oh.
It's still impossible.
Oh.
Oh, I almost did. I think it's possible. Oh, wait, you can't really get up to...
Yeah, once you get up there, you can't get up to the windmill, which will actually make you win.
Okay.
I'm gonna make this one of our helping things. Okay. I think that might... Wait. Let's do...
Oh.
I'm going to put it, like, right there.
Oh. Oh.
I sold the clip. This sucks. Can you get? Oh! Oh, first win?
Oh.
You only got a goal. You can't get first or solos.
Oh, yeah, because there's only 2 people. I like how there's so many extra boxes.
Yeah, that's kind of nice.
Oh. Oh.
What?
No, whatever I'm doing now, I was... Alright, let's see it, bro. Yo, what? You just jumped on the water?
Yeah, that's how that works. I'm built like Jesus, you know? Okay, that was kind of religious.
Wow.
I'm not like that. Okay, what am I doing?
Lock it, bro. You can sprint jump onto the box.
I know, that's why I had.
No!
I didn't want to collect the coins because there's an achievement called Back to the Basics where you win with only gold points and nothing else. Okay, I wanted to see if
So why'd you do it, monk?
Because then if I don't, then you have a way higher chance of winning.
I want to save world hunger, but I'm hungry. Sorry.
What?
Oh.
That's like basically what you just said.
Okay, the saw blade is kind of a pain.
What?
The saw blade that I put down.
No, I don't mind that.
Cap.
It's actually helpful in my opinion.
Cap.
Oh. Oh.
Not both of us.
Both of us just sold that. Buff us. Whoever made Ultimate Chicken Horse, buff us. I've actually met the developer's son.
Oh, that's kind of cool. No, please, no.
Remove the cannon. So it's just difficult. Yo!
No!
Bro really got that secondary cannon.
Oh.
Ow!
Wait, why lock
No
it?
way! Nah, you better lose this.
Bro, like the hockey puck was making me scared.
Yeah, that's what happened to me, to be honest. Wait. I'm a big brainer. Yeah, there. That would be gas. Yeah, I like that. I don't know what I'm saying.
Yo, Callum, wait, I'll be right back, okay?
Ah! What is this, bro?
Yo,
What
hello?
is?
Hello. What's up, guys?
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, I'm playing with Callum.
Wait, what group chat are you talking to? Bro, you
Oh,
going down
snap.
that stair thing?
No,
was-
you're not joining, bro.
Who? Who are
Yo,
you
guys,
talking to?
I will join back in the call and actually like participate, but I'm doing something right now. So I'll like wait, how long are you guys?
Okay,
Which will be
guys, I have no idea what's happening. He's on some kind of group chat or something.
like will you stay on for like another hour? Okay, I'll be back. Bye.
Yo, what? What in the technical difficulties is happening?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, bro.
Okay. Slight tech. Was I on mute?
Nope.
Oh, my fault. I didn't know I wasn't on mute.
We heard that entire thing.
Get
me back in bed. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do that real quick. Yeah,
Yo,
sorry, but I can't do that.
Tatum was trying to join us
Nah.
on mobile. I'm like, buddy, I'm good.
Huh. Bro, why do you put the things in like the most annoying position?
Bro, this is like the last video we had with the coins were too much. Bro, you put that block there? It makes me break.
I didn't even put that block there, bro.
Bro, why would I put that block there? I don't know.
Because
I don't
you're
know.
bumbleclad.
You know what? You're a
Put down the
bumble.
portal. Put down the portal wherever you feel like you want to. No, I already put one bottom right. I put one bottom right.
Okay.
Put one like up here. Okay.
Wait, I have an idea. So that you have to do it when it's you know what I mean? Like
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Are you dead?
no, I'm thinking about what
Yo, look at how much I'm using. Bro, you died at the most annoying spot you could have.
Oh my, he just wins with oil. That was tough.
Master, stop. I know F1 racer, but I do know who Master Stop is. Yes.
Bro, that does nothing.
No, it's fun. Trust. It'd be fire.
No, but it literally does nothing because it's not gonna hit him.
You're
Oh
saying?
wait, you put it there. Never mind.
Hard. Yo, I can't get anywhere. Okay. Back to
Yeah,
square
it's
four. You know? Oh my god, what am I doing?
That's what happened to me too.
Yo, I
So
hate
annoying.
that. I hate that like double thing. It's such a pain.
For real.
Cause half the time
I don't
you
like
just-
how there's like rails on the
I hate that. I got rid of it because it's just being annoying for no reason. So then we should put down.
Bro, there's so many coins in this.
This is like the first video where it was just you and me. Yo, you made it, but you got no coins.
Wait, I got no coins? Oh, really?
Yeah, no. I grabbed
thought
them
I had
all
all
and
of
died. What happened?
That was pointless.
We all saw.
Yo,
What is
trying to
glitching
jump.
on my screen? Did we all see this? Yo,
what just happened?
on my screen, you'd go into the fire hydrant and boxing glove and just get teleported to the cannon.
Yo, I don't know what's happening.
Me neither.
It's not fair.
Oi.
Yeah.
That was so ASMR-y, like what? What? Yo, if we clicked at the
wait.
same time. Yo.
I'm just gonna send. Oh wait. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. And calculations, I'm so smart. No!
Alright.
Bro,
I hate you.
I thought that I did it.
Bro, why'd you do that? I'll hand in the chat. Grab the coin, grab the coin, grab the coin. That's not the coin.
No, I'm not we don't need another coin.
Yes, we do. We have like none.
What do you mean?
Ha. Like that. I'm just like that, bro. Never mind. I take back everything I just said.
I had an easy W.
Chism with the chism.
Alright, for me. I'm so close to winning.
No, you're not. Shut up.
I'm literally so close to winning.
Nobody's going that route, bro. What is bro doing right now? How?
Yo, I grabbed it from you. Okay.
Absolute
Get
cinema.
this
I take
one
it, I
gold.
die, you take it, and you fall into the void.
No, not more gold.
More coins the merrier. Yo,
We're so greedy.
we are too greedy. I agree. I agree that. That's knee slapper. It did not do nothing. Yo, my greediness. Yo, look at what I just did.
How did you get put up there?
Cause I know what I'm doing.
Oh, it's because you landed onto the...
You're such a bumblebutt.
Wait, I understand it now,
I
Chad.
don't even know what I did, to be honest.
I understand it now.
What? Nobody's
even know.
going that route.
No. Wait, I'm actually no, I don't like that.
You're such a hardy hard.
There's only one strat, and I know it.
Crap. I was doing good though. You cannot be laughing at me. You killed yourself.
You got just as far as I did, though.
No, I at least got the coins and did it.
There's enough coins.
Alright. I know.
I feel like if we win, we're just gonna win it all.
Yeah, for real. That's the goal.
First one to win wins.
Or greediness.
How did you get? No. Okay, it's GG's, chat.
It's raps.
I'm just gonna hope that he doesn't win.
Yo,
Alright, what's the point of life?
winning doesn't do nothing. Did you give up?
Yes, bro, I just gave up. No, I died on that. But
Oh,
still. Yo, I like how you're just in the middle. Yo,
Oh, I actually didn't win by too much.
what do you mean?
I barely won.
What?
No.
I'm done. I'm out of here.
I only beat the win thing by like 2 extra gold points. Bro was not king when he said he was out of here. Either way, thank y'all for watching. This time, my risk and the jackpottiness I did. Okay, never mind. He's still here safely. Hope y'all have a good day, and please like and subscribe.
Why is my character so fast?
Anyways, see y'all.
Bye.